Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a easy wing. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going to be using the Stila liquid eyeliner in the color black, and I'm going to show you guys how I get a wing. So I'm just going to rest the felt tip against my eye, and when I rest it against my eye I'm just going to start gliding it across my lash line. And when I get to the end, instead of making my bottom line first, I'm just going to keep on going and create the top wing. And I'm just going to kind of go with my lid, because I have like a hooded lid. So I'm just going to follow that and take the wing out as far as I would like it to go. Alright, and then I'm going to make my bottom line and then I'll fill it in. And now I'm filling in. I'm going to take it, and now I'm going to make the line on the top a little more crisp. So I'm just going to glide it across the top. And now I'm just make sure anything that's still showing, I fill it in. And then make sure the front of it's still good. And that is how I get my wing liner. And make sure you have a really crisp point on the end. Alright guys, I did step away and put on my lash. So now I'm going to just show you how I get it really sharp. I just take a little bit of my concealer on an angled brush, and I'm just going to clean up the tip. Alright guys, so that is the finishing wing. So let me know if you guys would like to see more short videos like this instead of long videos. Let me know what's on your mind. Please make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification, and also leave down in the comments what type of videos you guys would like to see, whether it's short or if you guys like to see really detailed videos. So just let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.